This is actually known as method overloading. One more time. Very, very simple. Literally very simple. What do you mean by method overloading? Writing, please tell me, writing two or more methods. Just a sec. Let me, okay. Now, one more time, guys. Let's just try to imagine. Please imagine. Please imagine. What do you mean by method overloading? Writing two or more methods where in the same class, how you need to write having same method name should be same, but parameters should be different. That's it. Okay. All right. Then I'll do one thing. Let me just try to write void method one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sir, writing two or more methods in the same class having same method name, we are getting an error. This is incomplete. This is incomplete. Tell me the complete definition for method overloading. Start with the word writing. Writing two or more methods in the same class having same method name. First you need to write method name. Yes or no? Tell me having same method name but different parameters. Actually here I'm having all the same parameters, so that is the reason I'm getting an error. Let me just try to write int x. Okay. String s. Okay. Int x comma string s. Okay. Now string s comma int x. Absolutely okay. And here I'll go with string buffer sb. Okay. And here simply I'm going to give byte p. Am I getting any error? No. Sir, here also one parameter, here also one parameter. You said different parameters. Yeah. Here what is the parameter? Tell me. Int. What is the parameter here? String. Both are not same. Different parameters. Sir, here what? Here int string. Yes. Here string and int. Yeah. Order is different. Both are not same. Are you understanding the point here? Okay. We'll do one thing. Just let me try to write system.out.println 10. Copy. Now here 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 60, and 70. Now let me go to my main method. Now what I want to do, in my main method, I want to call all these methods such that my output should start from 10, 20 to 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Could you please help me with that? Tell me. First, what I need to do, obviously I need to create an object. Okay, I'm creating an object equal to AOBJ belongs to class A. All right. Now I want to call my method which prints 10. Please tell me the code. AOBJ dot method one. Okay, that is nice. Now I want to call my method which prints 20. Which prints 20. Tell me the code. AOBJ dot method one. That's it. I need to pass the parameter. How many parameters? How many parameters? One. Type string int. Okay, let me just try to pass like this. Okay, now I want to print, sorry, I want to print 30. I want to print 30. Tell me the code. Method one. Tell me. I need to pass which parameter? String parameter. And here I'll go with jar. I want to print 40. Go ahead. 100 and Java. I hope you understand the point here. Okay. Now I want to print 50, please. Java and 100. All right. Java and 100. Okay, sure. No issues. I want to print 60. Tell me. Java. I want to print 70. You need to tell me the code. 5 or can I give 100? It's within the range of byte. Yes or no? So I'm gonna give 100. So let's see what happens. Actually, you did two mistakes in this. Let me execute. You'll understand what are your mistakes. Right click, run as Java application. Check the output. 10. After that, 20, 30, 40, 50. Wait. Where is 60? And where is 70? Did you understand what is the mistake you did? Now, here in line number 41, your intention is to call string buffer method. But here you are passing string. What I told you, if you remember, when we discussed about string buffer and string builder, string constant pool memory is allocated only for string class objects. I told you, if you want to pass a parameter for string buffer or string builder, pretty much damn sure we need to use new keyword here. We need to use new keyword. So here, whenever you are calling like this, you are thinking that you are calling this method, but as a matter of fact, you are directly calling here. That is the reason you are getting this output 30. So in order to overcome that, create an object new string buffer, and here I'll be going with Java. Now I will be able to get our output as like this. So here this every number is by default considered as int. Compiler is thinking this is of int, right? So what we need to do, we need to inform to the compiler which concept we need to use. Typecasting. Let me just try to use byte. Now I will be able to get our output like this. Am I clear with that? Tell me. Now answer my question clearly. What is this method one going to print? Hey, why you are taking that much of time? What is that method one is going to print? 70. What is this method one going to print? What is this method one going to print? Tell me. What is this method going to print? 20. What do you mean by polymorphism? What do you mean by polymorphism? Performing multiple tasks with the same identity. Am I clear with that? Come on. Now, what do you mean by method overloading? What do you mean by method overloading? Writing two or more methods in the same class having same method name but different parameters. Now, for all these methods, what is access modifier? Default. Can I overload a private method? Can I overload a private method? We'll see. Public. Here I'm going to write private. Here I'm going to write protected, 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 and again I'm going to use private. I'm just using all the four access modifiers. If I'm getting exactly the same output, then we can do that. Yes or no? Let's find out. Right click, run as Java application. Now answer my question. Can I overload a public method? I need you to answer. One more time. Can we overload a public method, private method, protected method, default method, static method? We don't know. Let's find out. Let's find out. Now here, I'm gonna make this method as static, some methods as static. Let's execute. Right click, run as Java application. Can I overload a public method? private method, protected method, default method, static method, main method. Why? Why? It's okay, no problem. Yeah, so we'll see. I'm going to write my main method. Now inside my main method, okay, let me remove this. I'm not writing any parameter here. I am writing only one parameter, string. That's it. Now system.out.println. I'm just going to write first main method, and here I'm gonna write system.out.println. This is second main. Valid main method is only one. Valid main method is only one valid main method. Now, sir, why we are getting all these yellow color lines? Because these methods are static methods. You know what is the recommended way to call a static method? By using class name. As we are using a reference, that is the reason we are getting a warning. No need to worry about it. Let me just try to use, static methods directly. I can call them with the help of identifier names also. I'm going to write main. I'm just trying to write here Java is awesome. Right click, run as Java application. Answer my question. Can we overload public method, private method, protected method, default method, static method, main method? Come on. Constructor, constructor. Yesterday you have already overloaded your constructor. You already wrote that program, yesterday's task. Please check this. I am writing a constructor. This is system.out.println class A default constructor. Let me constructor class A default constructor. I'm gonna write one more. This is actually class A, class A parameterized constructor. Just let me try to print X. That's it. Now here inside, I'm gonna use this constructor call. Already I'm creating an object here, right? So right click, run as Java application. Let me make this very simple. Blindly remember, any method we can overload. Any method. Any method. Now answer my question. Public method, private method, static method, final method. Don't think. Seriously, don't think. Just know what I told you. Just know what I told you. Tell me. Any method, any method, any method we can overload. Now answer my question. Public method, private method, final method, abstract method. Don't think. Don't think. Just now I told you. Don't think. Again, one more time. Tell me. Private method, static method, main method, native method. Don't think. Native method, abstract method, synchronizer method, synchronizer method. You don't know what it is, but we can do that. No, seriously, remember that. Any method we can overload. There is only one rule. For method overloading, there is only one rule. Only one rule. What is that? Same method name, different parameters. Of course, in the same class. That's it. There's only one rule for method overloading. Method overriding the movie is something different, but method overloading, damn easy. Am I clear with this? Online students, I want you to kindly please respond to me in the chat. Please respond to me in the chat. Am I clear with that? Am I clear with that? Any method, blindly remember, any method we can overload. Dot. Is that clear? Please have this in your notes for me. Please go ahead. Please. I guess completed. Can you please have this program? Go ahead. to line number 32 complete for everyone? Please. So one more time I am saying, remember, any method we can overload. Method overloading. Any method we can overload. For overriding, there is something different. That overriding we'll be discussing on Monday. That's it. Completed. Enough. Enough for today. Enough. I don't want to take it more. Why I'm like doing like this, like I want to discuss polymorphism 2 days. Method overloading first day, method overriding second day. Why? Because in interview also you will be able to remember. First day in polymorphism, which concept we had covered? Method overloading, any method we can overload. Method overriding, there are some rules are there. Those we'll be covering them on Monday. All right. Dot. That's it. That's it for today. That's it for today. I don't want to take it more. Enough. Online students, I believe it's clear, guys, for everyone. Is it okay if I end our session a little bit early? Rohit, that depends. If that concept, if I need it, I'll be able to do that. Basically, that is used in Spring, Rohit. Not exactly right now. Okay. But I'll take your request. All right. Online students, is it okay for everyone? Please respond. Is it okay? Can I end our session a little bit early today? All right. That's it. That's it for today. Have a fantastic weekend. See you again on Monday. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Wait for it. Rohit, wait for it. Please wait for it. I told you definitely I'll be conducting an exam after Roots, right? Wait for it. Just a minute. Just a minute. Let me upload the notes. 2 minutes. Okay. Yeah. Tell me, buddy. Hmm. Estate task. What is the problem with the stress task? Hmm. సరే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయి కోడ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయి డిస్ప్లే కాదు విచ్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ ఓకే గో క్లాస్ బి డిఫాల్ట్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్కి వెళ్ళిపో ఎక్కడుంది క్లాస్ బి డిఫాల్ట్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ ఇక్కడ ఇదేంటిది దిస్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ కాల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సూపర్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ కాల్ ఈ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ కాల్లో ఉండదు అవునా కాదా ఇందులో ఉండదు ఈ దిస్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ కాల్తో నువ్వు ఏ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ని కాల్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నావు కదా సో ఆ క్లాస్ బి పారామీటరైజ్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్కి వెళ్ళాలి కదా ముందు ఆ వెళ్ళాలి అంటే నీకు ఏ వాల్యూ తెలియాలి ఆ ఏ వాల్యూ కోసం నేను షో మెథడ్ని కాల్ చేశాను నీకు లాజిక్ అర్థమైందా సో ఈ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్కి వచ్చిన తరువాత అందులో ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ క్లియరా రైట్ ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది కదా ఏఐ ఏ నన్ను అది ఏంటి అలాగే వర్క్ అవుతుంది అది రైట్ ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా రైట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ రైట్ అచ్చా నాకు సరిగా ఓకే